Hello guys and girls, thank you for watching my videos. This is Shubham Tamrakar, your coach, and in today's video we are going to talk about some of the forecasting which I had this week. This is last week of the year, and yeah, we had very good month. Means this month was super amazing. Most of the traders do not trading in this month because they have a myth that in December that market was not good or the volatility in the market is not good, but still we had very good positions. I had shared with you too. Let me show you some of the positions which I had, which is first NZD-JPY. This was super trade, it was like a sniper trade we had, and this is going to be a super good. You can see there's a 90% probability which is working over here. There's a 90% probability that we will look for this target, and if the price will break this level, then we'll move forward because the daily time frame is looking amazing. If you look at this in daily time frame, sorry, let me back. If you look at this in daily time frame, you will see the structure is very clear. The structure is very clear. You can see first touch, second touch, and we are going to the make the third touch of the structure. So in daily time frame the structure is very clear, but you can see in smaller time frame, when we move to the smaller time frame, there's a higher possibility that the price will move down. Why? Because the structure, if you look at this, the price moved down impulsively. It is forming correction right now. After the correction, we will definitely have some good confirmation for the downside. So we'll look for this. Once the price will break impulsively, we will break for the retest and then we'll move down. So this is how my strategy on NZD JPY right now. In this last week, there's a higher possibility that we will see some downside movement in NZD JPY, and that is going to be a good trade. So this was a very good trade I had from the top of the structures. As you know, this is very risk entry setup, but still the structure was pretty clear. You can see double top, you can see first touch, second touch. Mesh psychology also played at that time, but that was what we do in our forecasting. We have forecasted all the things which is working, mesh psychologies, coin theories, and all. So this is very good trade. Currently I'm looking for this target as a 90% probability, and if the price will move impulsively, then we will have a great opportunity to trade this again for the short side. But this was a trade. Now let me show you some of my forecasting for this week. This week I have forecasted only for the six pairs. Actually the pair is five only. Dollar index is six. Dollar index is looking pretty clear. If you look at this dollar index in the structure in the daily time frame, 4 hourly time frame, the structure is very clear. You can see this is a daily time frame structure in DXY. The price, you can see this was a very clear structure. The price was moving on. When the price was moving on, what we look for, same thing I was looking for at that time. But when the price break impulsively, just like this, you can see when the price was break impulsively, what we look for now, we look for the retesting. As you know guys, that whenever the price break impulsive structures, what we look for, we look for the confirmations, we look for the retesting of the structures. So this is very important point. This is very important level which has to be retested by the DXY. Not maybe not today, not tomorrow, but over the next week or over the next month, we'll definitely see some downside movement in DXY. Looking to the technical perspective, look at this now. Going to the 4 hourly time frame, the structure is very clear. You can see, let me show you. If you just study this price action structure, you will see the structure is very clear. What we are looking for right now, we are looking for this is double top pattern. You can see from the double top, it was very close to, this is a near touch. This is very close to that, but it did not touch that level. But if you look at this now as a part of pattern separation, you can see this is very beautiful pattern the price is making right now. Very clear pattern, and this is what we're looking for. Because the price moved up impulsively, there's a higher possibility it is forming correction. After the correction, it will move up, then back to the structure, and then we'll have a great push down for the dollar side. So this is what the dollar forecasting I have, and I'm looking for this as a very good for the means for the week ahead and in this week too. So this is very good forecasting. Dollar is very clear on the basis of price action structure. If you look at this, we got impulse, we got correction, and after the correction, what is happening? Price moving to the upside as continuation for the upside. Once it will move to the upside, there's a higher possibility that we can look for the mesh psychology. What is mesh psychology? Buying at the top and selling at the low, and most of the traders losing money means at this point. So this is very important level that if it will break impulsively, we should have to wait for the as a retesting the structures. Once the price will again back to the structure, then wait for the confirmations to getting involved. And this is what I have forecasted for a DXY. Now let me move forward into the pairs. the top 5 pairs I'm looking for, but in that top 5 we have to look for only 3, which is first GBP CAD. GBP CAD is looking very clear on the basis of means price action. If you look at this GBP CAD, this is 4 hourly time. Sorry, this is a daily time frame in GBP CAD, and you can see the price action structures. First touch, second touch. We are very close to the third touch of the structure. You can see we are very close to the third touch of the structures, and this is what I have forecasted. From the top of third touch, I'm looking for this trade to go for the downside. The reason is very clear. You can see, let me show you on the basis of price action structure. If you look at this structure, you will see the formation of this structures is super clear. What is this? First touch, second touch, and third touch. You can see the the structures, and on the basis of probability, first touch, second touch, and what I'm looking for currently, I'm looking for third touch, which is very high probability that we will see. Because what happened, whenever the price is very close to the high value areas, the price gravitate towards that. The price gravitate towards the high value area. So this is very good opportunity. We can look means on GBP CAD to sell from the top of the structure. So this is what the forecasting is. If you look at this on the downside perspective, you will see that first touch, second touch, and third touch, it was little bit penetrated, but that's okay. Market is not perfect, market is imperfect. So you have to keep flexibility on the price action structures too. Whenever you analyze the structures, be flexible with the structures. Do not just means indulge with the psychology or the theories behind the structures. So if you look at this on the basis of price action structures, this is very close to the third touch, and from the third touch of the structures, what we look for the sell. The second thing what I have means learned over the period of time, you can see that whenever the price is very close to the third touch and very close to the double top structure too, if you just focus on this now, so if you just focus on this, so this will be very close to the double top, and the probability is what happened that the price does not move to the top up to that level, means the price reverse from the double top. This is what happened. This is what I have learned over the period of time, means the price did not move to the little bit more up. And what we look for as a means, whenever we are very conservative, we look for the top. We look for that the once the price will retest, then we will move down, but sometimes it is not happen. So we have to be flexible, and we have to understand that this is very important level to double top. And if the price will move down from that level, forming corrections and giving you any kind of indications which will help you to move down, to trade this, you should definitely go for that, because this is what I have learned over the period of time. So I have forecasted two entries. First, either it will move to the upside and retest the third touch, then it will move down impulsively, or the price will move up to the double top structure and then it will move down. So according to the market conditions at that time, we'll look for the GBP CAD, but structures is very clear. If you look at this, the price is also making the means the pattern separation, which we look for the to make involved in a market, to take entry in a market. So it is also making the pattern separation, and this is also indicating that there's a higher possibility that the price will move up, move back to the structure, then will move down. So there's a higher possibility that we'll look as a double top pattern over here and trade according to that. And understand, market always give you a chance to getting involved. Do not get impulsive whenever the price is very close to the high value area. Do not get impulsive whenever the price is very close to the high value area, because this is where you will make losses too. Play means look for the mass psychology which is playing in a market and wait for the confirmations to getting involved. So GBP CAD is my first forecasting, and there's a higher possibility that we will get trade today by tomorrow. And once we will get trade, we should definitely look for this. Okay, so GBP CAD is first pair which I'm looking for. Now let me move forward in USD CAD. USD CAD is also very clear. If you look at this in daily time frame, the price action structures is very clear. We are very close to the double top pattern. You can see double top pattern. And if you look at this in a smaller time frame as a pattern separation, you can see this too. The price is also making the three touch pattern, first touch, second touch, and we are very close to the third touch of the structures. And why I'm calling this as a high value area, this is just because the double top structures and the third touch of the pattern is very close to that. And in this, the same thing happening, there's a higher possibility that the price will not move up to that level, up to the third touch, and move down from the double top structure. So understand the situations. Whenever the market is impulsive, We have to means wait for the structures to prepare make. But whenever the market do not impulsive, as you know, this is the last week of the means of the month, and because of the Christmas week, we had a very less volatility in a market, very low volume in a market. So we have to trade according to the market conditions. If the price will move down from the double top pattern, from the level of this blue line, which is double top pattern, then we will have to wait for the confirmations to getting involved. Otherwise, the price will move up, it will move down back to the structure, then we will have to getting involved. So the thing is very, very clear. Trade when you get confirmations from the market conditions and understand that how the psychology is evolving. Maybe the mass psychology will play too. So understand it is also very, very close to, you can see I have put it all the alarms, and I'm looking for these trades too. So this is the second pair which I'm looking for. First was GBP CAD, second was USD CAD. Now the third and last pair which I'm looking for is EuroCAD. Although it will take time, but let me show you odd NZD. Odd NZD is also very, very clear. You can see it is also very, very close to the double top. The price action structures, which is always keep repeating itself, and this is a perfect example. I have shown you three structures: GBP CAD, USD CAD, and in all that structures we are trading what? We are trading double top pattern. So market always give you indications. You have to understand that how you have to going to involve in a market. If you look at this, the price action structures is very, very clear. What happened? Price moving impulsively, forming correction. You can see this move impulsive, correction, again impulse, again correction, again impulse, again correction, again going to be impulsive. So this is very, very important high value area, although this is double top pattern. And if you look at this as a structures which is repeating itself as an impulse correction, what we can look for? We look for the continuation for the upside, then we'll back to the structures, and then we'll have a great opportunity to trade this. So understand this. Price action structures always repeating itself over the period of time. What we have to look for? We have to look for the how it is behaving in a market. You have to have gained consistency over the structures to become good profitable trader in this market, and this will only come once you start developing the reflection points. Reflection is very, very important. Do your back testing, do your advanced self review, and then move to the market conditions. Then learn from the market conditions how it is working. Okay, so this is what I have to explain you guys. The top three pairs you can look for: odd NZD. Second, you can look for USD CAD, which is very, very close to will high, means there is a higher possibility that we'll get trade by today. And then GBP CAD. This is these three pairs are phenomenal. Means looking to the dollar. If you look at this dollar, which is the common denominator of the market, you will see the dollar moved up impulsively, forming correction. Once it will move up, the dollar will also move down. So the dollar, when the dollar will move down, USD CAD will move down. And whenever USD CAD will move down, the correlation which is working GBP CAD, odd CAD, Euro CAD, all of the pairs will move down too. So market understand that how the correlation working, and yeah, this is pretty much what I have to explain to you guys. So thank you for watching till the end, and if you like this video, definitely subscribe the channel, and thank you. Happy weekend and happy Christmas to all of you too. Thank you.